Here we are down at Garden Island. The client that we're doing business for down here is Tallis Australia, one of our biggest industrial clients that uses Cotes hire.
We've got a ship in dry dock and we have a lot of equipment that we hire from Cotes hire.
Yeah, obviously because we have a lot of work to be undertaken in a short time frame, we needed a contractor that was reliable. That's why we went to Cotes. Cotes have enabled us to get the hire equipment that we can pull off the amount of work that needs to be done.
One of the things we've done, pumping salt water into the ship. Down below is roughly about 2 kilometres of hosing running to the ship. What it's doing is actually keeping the engines of the ship cool so they can keep generating power in the ship.
As you can see, all the fixtures and fittings down here is actually supplied by Cotes hire. So we've actually come up with a solution how to pump salt water into this ship to keep this ship alive while it's out of the salt water.
We give them a couple of tasks. They go above and beyond to help achieve what we are trying to achieve.
We have quite a few bits of equipment from Cotes here: day makers, elevated work platforms, scissor hoists, telehandlers and forklifts. Another integral part of the system is portaloos. At the moment we've got 1,100 people living on board the ship. We've got 150 people working down the bottom of the dock. Have portaloos down there to stop people from walking up all the stairs. Loss of production, loss of time and convenience for the workers.
Just behind me, the big TV screens. We've supplied the equipment to get the panels up there for Braco systems.
A couple of trials and tribulation of obviously bringing a big ship in like this. They have 1,200 personnel on board. And the problem when we go into dry dock, the ship's services run on water, and obviously we need to undertake the sheer volume of work that we have to do. But we've enabled Cotes personnel to be in 24-hour contact. They have relocated someone to Sydney, so they are on 24 hours. Just a phone call away, come in, they've got the key personnel on site within an hour. We've changed the equipment out, had minimal downtime to production, and we've maintained our schedule.
Other things that Cotes do for us, because they're environmentally sensitive down here, is in the background you can hear that squawking noise, which has been fitted to all the Cotes hire gear. Normally it's a high-pitched beeping sound, but for down here they specially fit on what we call these squawkers.
Obviously with our relationship with Cotes, we don't particularly worry about safety with them. We know that they have a very high standard. They know they're going to meet our standard, and they're going to enforce the standard to any other personnel that are working in our environment. We have had a few problems, but obviously with our personal relationship, I've been able to get together with the key managers that we have here on site. We've worked it out, told our story, told the Cotes story. We've managed to ensure it was the best outcome for the project, and then we sat together and we worked out in between both companies what was the best outcome to work forward into the future so we don't have those problems. And it's really worked well with Cotes in particular.